The weather cold, the weather so chill, chilly.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with a really exciting new product. So I've been wanting to purchase something from this brand for a while now, but I just haven't really got around to it. When I went away in June, I nearly bought some stuff on the plane, and I wish I just had, because I would have been way earlier than when the product came out. But it is the Tan Luxe, the body and the brand new Super Glow. So mainly the Super Glow. I just managed to get this really good set from QVC, and it was £33 for the two. I went for medium dark. I just think the packaging is so pretty. It's like really nice. You get the body, which is, I think I'm like 100% sure it's full size. And then the main star of the show is the Tan Luxe Super Glow. So it's their newest product that's just come out. A hybrid hyaluronic super serum that delivers a powerful burst of hydration while ultra nourishing superfood ingredients work to even your skin tone, colour correct and help minimise pigmentation. So that's what I really wanted to buy. I'll show you what the products look like inside. This is going to be my first time using them. I've just done a face mask and my skin is actually feeling slightly dry. It's the Milk Brightening Clay Mask, the pink one, just because I was thinking my chin and stuff was being a bit problematic at the minute, basically, so I wanted something to sort of dry it out. So this is the Super Glow. So this is the hyaluronic acid tan, yeah, hyaluronic acid self tan serum, or hyaluronic, doesn't say acid. Now that bottle is 30ml, which I think is the standard size. And then I've got the 50ml body, so that's what the two of them look like together. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure this is just the standard size. I'm going to go ahead and use the Super Glow for you guys now. This is what I was really like, what I really wanted. And I don't know, I wanted Tan Luxe, I really wanted to try it because a few of my friends have tried it and really liked it, but I just sort of was waiting for something that, you know, to make that jump and buy it. So on the back here, it gives you really good guidelines for both the products. So I'm going to go with my Super Glow, which is the facial one. I think I want a sun-kissed look because I've caught the tiniest bit of colour in the British sun. I might actually just go for the 12. So I'll do... says 2 drops hydration, 4 drops radiance, 8 drops sun-kissed, 12 drops golden. So we'll go ahead and get that on my face. I'm just thinking about, I might just quickly swap into something else. So I've just popped a bandeau on so that I can just go straight in and show you guys how to use the body. This says apply 12 drops directly onto the skin, massaging in circular motions and avoiding the eye area. Additional drops will increase depth of colour. Reapply as needed. So just gonna take that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's 12 drops. It's not a ton of product, but I'm hoping, basically what I'm hoping is that I would never usually do something like that mask before. Guys, it smells amazing. I would never do something like that mask before I fake tanned because it would make me dry, which would then mean, I'm just going to add some more drops, which would then mean that I would get like major patches. So I'm hoping that because it has the hydration in it, like the hyaluronic, that it's going to be flawless. Just going to take it a bit over. So this is definitely more than 12. Probably because my skin's drier than usual. It's just sucking it up. But I also want to make sure I get an even spread. Now, they always say wash your hands after. It doesn't say anything about cleaning out your eyebrows or your hairline. But I think I'm just going to do that anyway to be safe. I'm just rubbing it in, and it feels like it's actually sunk in fine. Skin doesn't look particularly anything. It just looks sort of matte, not super glowy like as of yet. But I don't know whether because it's a serum whether I could pop my moisturiser over it, but I think for this I'm just going to go ahead and leave it as is. Now I'll just quickly go wash my hands and then we can move on to the body. So for the second part I'm going to be using the body. This is Illuminating Self Tan Drops medium to dark again. This says apply 2 to 6 drops per body part. Yeah, and it says similar on here, 2 to 8, 2 radiance, 4 sun-kissed, 8 golden, 12 bronzed. And mix with your normal body moisturiser and apply in circular motions head to toe. Now I'm just going to do my top half because I can't be asked to do my legs. So yeah, I'm going to use a mitt for this just because I feel a bit safer, and my usual body lotion is the Nivea Light body lotion, the Q10 firming one. I really like it and I rate it for firming, guys. It's really good. And then I'm just going to take my drops. So jelly-y. And then I'm just going to get that straight on to my arm. I'm hoping this is going to be the best tan in the world. I'm just going in normal circular motions like I do with all my tans. And then same, just running it over my hand, going in between my fingers, knuckles. And then just getting around my shoulder and all those spots. Like, the nice thing about mixing it with your moisturiser is literally how like moisturised you feel. I'm trying to stay even with the drops because I'm like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't want anywhere to be a different colour because I imagine that can probably happen. So now I'm just applying the rest, another 2 pumps of my moisturiser and 12 drops of the Tan Luxe. So you can sort of see I've got like quite a nice glow to me. I would say it is a mix of the moisturiser and the body one. It's like got a really jelly-like consistency. It seems quite thick. Just get my ears back behind my ears. And I'm just using that with my Velvo Tan mitt purely because I don't want to go wash my hands and then have different coloured hands again, and you know, like I would have to do my hands with a mitt anyway. So yeah guys, that is it for the Tan Luxe application. I would say all the products smell really, really nice. Yeah, I mean, I'm quite excited. I think overall, like, they have, to me, it's like quite a higher end tanning brand, I would say, just because of the price point of where it's at. So I'm quite excited to see if it does have really good results, especially the Super Glow, because from the moment I saw this I really wanted it. So guys, I'm gonna catch you in the morning and we can see the results of my first Tan Luxe tan to rival all the other reviews. So we shall see you guys then. I'll see you in the morning. Hey guys, welcome all the way back to the video that isn't even an intro, but so guys, this is what my colour looks like this morning. So let me grab a mirror because I've not really looked at it too hard. So my face, I can't get over. Like, you can see how, what I feel like it looks really hydrated this morning, like really nice. I didn't get any grabbing from where I used the clay mask prior to putting it on. My ears are a really nice colour. I usually get loads of grabbing on my ears. I'm literally covered in mosquito bites. So then my body, this is what my body's turned out like. I'm really pleased with the colour. It's like probably around the normal shade I like for my body. My hands are actually quite orange. More like there's just seems to be a lot more product on my hands, which is quite common. I feel like when I tan it always grabs on my hands. The only thing I would say is that I've got this like bend mark, and it might not be obvious to you but I feel like I can really see it, but I think that is just probably because it was boiling last night, and then once I sort of let my tan dry I jumped straight into bed. Now I'm not sure, the smell is nice, it doesn't really smell tanny, although it does have like the tiniest tan undertone, I feel anyway. Like I feel like most tans, like when I put it on it didn't smell at all, but by this point now I feel like my hands do kind of smell fake tanny. I'm so pleased with the results, and I think because you can add your own moisturiser to it, like you wake up feeling so much more, I feel like that's the one thing I don't like about tans sometimes, is that it really dries you out, but this I'm loving, guys. I'm literally just looking, where have I put the box, because what I was going to say was I'm not sure whether I need to wash it off this morning. Literally have no clue where that's disappeared to. It was right in front of me. Anyway, that's proper odd. I'm pretty sure, I'm going to look online, but it says, how weird, can't even say I've seen them. So I'm going to look online. Do you need to wash off tan Luxe? Because I don't remember it saying anything. Yes, tan Luxe can be applied the night before mixed with your moisturiser. You should not be mixed with SPF as it may. This is the FAQs. How long will my tan last? That's a good one. Up to 7 days on the skin, like a natural suntan. Oh, fade like a natural suntan, which I'm excited to see. Are your products safe for sensitive? Oh, that's really cool. So they say, someone's asked, can I use the body on my face? And they've said that the body is enriched with caffeine cellulose complex to improve the look and feel of the skin's firmness. So imagine it with my Nivea, which I did use. It's like the ultimate firming product, so I bet it's really nice for your legs. Shelf life, last 1 year once opened, 2 years unopened. They don't test on animals, which is amazing. Some of our products contain hyaluronic silk, which is animal derived. However, we're working hard to ensure all our products are totally vegan by 2019. So the products that are vegan are their butter, their sleep oil, their glyco water, their wonder oil, and their instant hero. Safe for sensitive skin. They said they can't comment. Tan Luxe when I'm pregnant. We advise avoiding tanning in the first trimester. So guys, I mean, no answer about washing it off. I'd assume that would have been something I would have seen on the box. Like, my room is not this big, but I think I am going to jump in and shower it off, and maybe I'll like pop back. It's just mainly to see if I can sort of fade that like bend line in my arm, and plus to maybe just remove any sort of light smell that because I get quite hot when I work, so I don't want to smell like really tanny on my like first day of tanning type thing. Is how I always smell, like if I'm going into London or something. By the time I get there I'm like, I literally just should have washed it off. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'll pop back just to quickly show you guys. Oh, so this is what my tan looks like after I've showered it off. Now This has actually really faded, that print mark, but not the tan. It's almost like, not that there is a guide colour to it, but if there was any sort of like residue, I did just shower it off. Nothing came off in the shower, and then I went straight back on with my Nivea just to lock it in. I did actually notice the state of my hand, which I've not actually had this for so long. This will be just where I rubbed it too low, and this, I couldn't tell you what this is, because I did really thoroughly wash my hands after I used the Super Glow, which is bae. And I was just looking, guys, found the box. There's no nothing saying that you need to wash it off after. Yeah, it just says use your drops, thoroughly wash hands after use, and same again for the body. It just says reapply as needed. So I actually, if I think you want to buy this, guys, I would rate both of them very highly. Now, I know it's my first time using it, but I do use tanning products a lot, so I feel like I've got a good sort of idea of how they work, and for me this has been like the nicest brand I've used in terms of like the packaging is so gorgeous. This Super Glow is going to be the one, I think, because you get your skincare in it and you get a tan, and then it says, like it said on the box, you can apply 1 to 2 drops in the evening just for the hydration side instead of the tanning. So other than that, it's like an amazing way to gradually build up your tan if you're not one of those people that wants to jump straight to being super dark in the colour. And this is the body, and like, you know, but I would say this is such a nice idea because it's got such a jelly-like sort of like texture to it once you've mixed it with your moisturiser. And I did go for something light. I don't know if I would go for something super thick and oily, but that's up to you. Yeah, it just leaves you feeling like really nice. It's nice to wake up in the morning and not be dry, not really smell, sorry. So yeah, guys, that is my sort of review on Tan Luxe. I'm not sure if QVC still have this still going. I think it was like the best bargain in the world, but I think it's probably going to be one of those products I'm going to go back to once I've finished, because I do really like it. I think the body is gorgeous, and after reading online it says, yeah, infused with skin boosting hydrating properties of raspberry seed oil, vitamin E, aloe vera and caffeine rich cellulose complex to stimulate firmness. So this probably like one of those ones you use over time. It's going to be amazing. And the new little baby, the Super Glow, even though I haven't actually used any of their products before, just in terms of the hyaluronic in this was more of a reason for me to sort of make the jump and try it. So guys, I rate this 100%. I will let you know in another video how it wore off for me, but so far I'm feeling like, although I had a bit of a base tan, once my hands sort of dulled down a bit, this will be perfect, guys. And I didn't actually take my rings off for it. I don't know if you can see, I know I'm looking a bit bronze, but it didn't grab anywhere. It's like turned out really nice. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next one. Please remember to leave me any comments down below of anything you want to see, like, subscribe, all that stuff, and I will see you in the next one.